Let's use your own voice to help enter data into Pipeliner. Let's do that with the mobile app. Let's say I want to enter a new contact. Go to the Contacts menu, click on the plus sign in the lower right corner, click on Create a New Contact. Here's the fields that need to be filled in. Let's fill in the first name field by using my own voice. Use your own phone's audio or microphone to record your voice to fill in this field. I'm going to use my mic. Mary. Well, there goes that first field. Looks pretty good. Let's click on Next. Middle name, I don't have a middle name for Mary. Let me click on Next. Now I have a last name. Smith. And so on. You can fill in all the fields this way. This becomes especially helpful if, for example, you had a conversation with someone and you would like to just have your audio type in the text for that conversation. For example, let's say I had a conversation with Mary. And the conversation with Mary has to deal with an activity of a phone call that we had. So I'm going to open up that phone call activity and I'm going to go to the detail page. And you'll notice on the detail page it has a lot of wonderful fields, except there's a field here called description. And I actually want to put in exactly what I spoke about with Mary. So I'm going to edit this. I'm going to go to the description field. And I'm going to actually have Pipeliner help me type in all the information by using my phone's recording or microphone. Spoke about the ABC product. And that's all there is to it. Click on Save and you're done. Thank you for joining me.